I need some help trying to diagnose the sound that's coming out of my brakes. Uh, don't need to be moving. It's only when I step on the brake there's that squeak. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it here. I'll give it a shot. Like I said, the car don't need to be running. It's just yak, 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 yak whenever I step on the brake, so let go. Um, I, I have the car running because if it's not running, then kind of like it charges up and the brake gets hard. But hopefully you can hear this and give an idea what it could be. All right, appreciate any help on that. Thank you.